Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different type of the sewing activities. You may require needles, some different shades of the thread. After that, you may also require a holding cloth holder. With the help of the different dots we have already created and earlier, you just have to fix them properly as shown on your screens. If we talk about the difficulty level, then this one is difficult at the beginning. Once you will become pro, it will become much easier for you. Such activities are so good and so beautiful. You can create your different embroideries. Let's move further towards another activity. First, we are making the different size of the circle with the help of the circular buttons. After that, using the needle, you just have to make the rest of the outlines. Now you can see how we are placing the needle and how we are holding the thread so that these type of the petal type of the look is created. At the center, we are making some of the circular dots and now we are placing them one after the another at the proper position. Let's now move further towards our another activity. Here we are already making use of the thread and the needle and making some of the measurements as shown on your screen. You can just fix them properly with the help of the needle and you can see how we are just fixing them properly one after the another with the help of the thread. Such activities require some of the patience because they take time while you are making some of the stitches with the help of the needle. These are so beautiful. With the time we are making the increasing lengths of the branches. Now it's time to make some of the flowers. For that you just have to again make use of the different shades of the purple and it looks quite good. Let's now move further towards our another activity. We are making use of the comb. For this one we are placing it at the center and the thread is to be opened from all the both ends, and now you just have to repeat it, depends on the length. Trim it with the help of the scissors and it looks so beautiful once you have trimmed it. Now you just have to fix them with the cloth. For that we are again making use of some thread. Thank you for watching.